Welcome back to my channel, and let me tell you, trying to record this in the car is the hardest thing because I'm trying to look for the best angle for me not to look so chubby. But I am chubby. But yes, so I went to SAIKA Estate, the outskirts of SAIKA Estate, not the gated community, and I found some really nice houses that go for one bedrooms between 10,000 and 15,000. For two bedrooms go between 16 and 18,000 Kenyan shillings. Most of them were 18. Yes. So yes, like, share, subscribe. And then we're gonna talk about commercial movies. Bye. This building is located right at the entrance of SAIKA Estate. It only has one bedroom apartment. I start with second floor and then I go to 7th floor. Water supply in this building is 24 hours because, as you will see, they have water reservoirs on the top floor of the building. Notice the design of the ceiling, and also notice when we go to the next house, which will be on the top floor of the same building. Wi-Fi is pre-installed, so when you get into these houses, what you do is just keep paying your monthly Wi-Fi bill, but it's pre-installed, so you don't get to pay the installation fee. Water is available 24/7 in this building. The balcony is spacious enough, but wait until we get to the top floor. After climbing up to 7th floor, I believe I lost all my weight. I am now skinny for life. Yes! Here are the water reservoirs that I told you about earlier. I instantly noticed that this house is a bit bigger than the one on the second floor, and both go for the same price of 13,000 Kenya shillings. Unlike the one on second floor, the ceiling is wooden, or rather it has a wooden theme to it. This is probably because this is the top floor, this is the last house, so they needed something that is more of a ceiling than just decoration. As you can see, this on my where I am pointing, this is SAIKA estate, the gated community, and then the rest is the rest of the houses that are not gated community. This is because this house is located at the gate of the entrance of SAIKA estate, the gated community. I don't know about you, but I like for myself a great view, and this top house has an amazing view. I guess the reason why this living room is a bit bigger than the other one is because it has a botched corner where you can put your extra stuff, or if you're a musician like I am, you can put your musical instruments on that corner. The kitchen is much bigger than the other one as well. The bathroom and the toilet is in the same room. I also noticed on the corridor, just like the one on second floor, there is a mirror where you can brush your teeth, you can do your makeup here, you can do your facials here. And the bedroom, wow, it is bigger than the other one. The cabinets are much bigger, and also it has a view and a balcony. You can see it has a view and a balcony. Apart from Wi-Fi, these houses come with a pre-installed doorbell ringer, and that is for security reasons. The gate is always closed, so when your guests come, if they do know your house number, they can just put the doorbell that has your number, and then you can go downstairs or throw the keys to them and they will come up. That hanging wire caters for Wi-Fi. That is all from me to you. Remember, these houses go for 12,000 shillings. Please like, subscribe, and share.